A single mom's early investment in Dogecoin, Doge, has become an inspiring story in the crypto world. She made a small bet on Doge during its early days when it was still considered a joke or meme coin. Her investment, which started as a modest sum, turned into a significant windfall as Dogecoin's popularity skyrocketed, especially during the 2021 crypto boom, fueled by endorsements from high-profile figures like Elon Musk. This story highlights the potential for massive returns in the cryptocurrency space, especially with coins that start as underdogs. Her success has led to a growing interest in discovering the next big opportunity in the crypto market. One contender that's gaining attention is BlockDAG, a blockchain project that has recently made headlines with a $67.3 million pre-sale success. BlockDAG is emerging as a strong candidate for those looking to invest in the next big crypto. Unlike traditional blockchain networks, BlockDAG offers a more scalable and efficient architecture, which could be a game changer in the industry. As Toncoin and Avalanche AVAX face challenges, BlockDAG is positioning itself as a resilient option with significant growth potential. The single mom's Dogecoin story serves as a reminder that early investments in promising projects can yield extraordinary returns. With BlockDAG's current momentum and innovative approach, it might be the crypto to buy now for those looking to replicate such success in the future. BlockDAG's potential lies in its unique technological approach. Unlike traditional blockchains that rely on linear chains of blocks, BlockDAG, directed acyclic graph, uses a more flexible and scalable structure, allowing multiple blocks to be added simultaneously. This architecture can lead to faster transaction times and higher throughput, making it particularly appealing for the future of decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts. As the crypto market matures, investors are increasingly looking for projects with strong technological foundations and real-world applications. BlockDAG's innovative structure positions it well to address some of the limitations of existing blockchain networks, such as scalability and speed, which have been persistent challenges for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The pre-sale success of BlockDAG, raising $67.3 million despite a bearish market, is a strong indicator of investor confidence in its potential. This level of early support suggests that BlockDAG could see significant adoption as it continues to develop and roll out its platform. For investors, this could translate into substantial returns, similar to what early Dogecoin investors experienced. For those looking to invest in the next big crypto. Unlike traditional blockchain networks, BlockDAG offers a more scalable and efficient architecture, which could be a game changer in the industry. As Toncoin and Avalanche AVAX face challenges, BlockDAG is positioning itself as a resilient option with significant growth potential.